Alright guys, on this video I'm going to show you guys how I can create a church flyer like this, and also let's just call it kind of like a concert flyer also. So it's very easy to do this. What you just need to do is just to delete this default and then click on the three dots, image size, and I'll just give it flyer setting 4:5. And you can see how it is. So then what you need to do now is just to draw a black layer. We're still going to be putting the background, but no need for that. The black layer is okay, and then I can just lock this. I will just import the background right now. As you can see right now, so I got it online. Then we're just gonna make it work on the hue. Let's just check any color that fits it. So we're using something like this, something like a green color. Then we can increase the saturation. We just want to make it shiny and popping. Then increase the contrast a little bit. Let's give it 15. Then the brightness, you can add more brightness to it. 15 is okay. So I think that is good. So you can just lock this right now. So you now create a gradient color for this. So let me just show you how you can create a gradient color. The gradient color may also be like this on your Pixellab, or any you can make it to be. So any it is, guys, you can just set it. Then you can see this one is already here for me. So if you need resources to this design, it's going to be in the comment section below, description box. Make sure you check it out. And if you also need a PLP file, you can purchase it in the description below. So you can see everything is set right now. So the background and everything is set. So it's time for us to now import the other elements. So you can see this microphone right now that we're going to be using. So what we're going to do now is to cut this, like make it into two. Yeah. Then do this, reduce it again. So let's just make it full. This will actually cut it because I needed to be more bold. So you can just do it like this. At least to rest on the pillar. Yeah, something big. Yeah, something like this. Then duplicate another one, take it to the other side. Let it rest again. So if you have reached this point, make sure you hit that subscribe button, guys. Like this video and share this video. It's very good because it enables us like create more designs. So when you are done, you can now raise this gradient up a little bit. So you can see how it is. So let me put the other ministers right now. So we're using this man right now, and then we just need to put him at the back. So the white color, I don't want it to affect it. So we can make it like this. Then adjust it. Then you can just use the saturation to make it a little bit dark. Then increase the contrast a little bit. As you can see, it's going to give it like this. Then you can work on the hue to give it that kind of green color. I think 10 is okay. Then this is good. So you can lock this. So you can now import the remaining woman. So we're importing this woman right now, as you can see. So you can just take it to the back of the minister to give it this field. You can just adjust this minister a little bit. So the way we did for the man, we are going to also do for the woman right now. So I think I'll just need to increase them a little bit. Yeah. Then reduce the saturation. Increase the contrast. Then the hue. Give that kind of green color. Yeah, so we're already getting it. So it's time to bring both of them down. So you can see how it is. So you can still reduce the size of this woman a little bit because of the way she is. You can still bring them closer. Okay. Then even this pastor too. Anyhow you want to do it right now. So you can see it's already giving us that kind of field. So let me just duplicate this right now. and let me take this to the back. As you can see, so I'll just use the brightness to reduce, then increase the contrast to give it that sharpness. When I lock this, then I duplicate the second one. Sorry, I think I'll start this first. Okay, now duplicate this one. Then I take it to the back of her, reduce it very well, align it here, adjust it a bit. So we can now like reduce the brightness very well, then increase the contrast. As you can see guys, it's giving us what we want. So if you notice it right now, it's got that the microphones are bigger than the main image itself. So you can just like bring all these microphones down and then adjust those two people on top, so you can see how it is. So it's just giving us that field. Now it's time to put all those shiny things, but let's save our project. So I think we're in day 61. So welcome to day 61 guys of our 1 day challenge. If you know you have actually should do, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like the video, share this video. Also join my Telegram community on my Telegram group to get updated anytime I drop new videos like this. So let me just open the project right now, and then we can start saving changes from there. So if you notice right now that there's something like a cut image, so you can see it right now. So you can just use this to block, I don't know, like to block it a little bit. So you can just enlarge it very well, enlarge it more to give it that blockage. So I think we have closed it now. Then I still need to work for this back, make it like this. So if you notice right now, that one is bigger than the other, so you can just adjust this. They can bring everything down again. So guys, that is it. So right now you can start naming them, or you can just put in any text you want to put. So let me just save these changes right now. So I'm just going to put something like a sharp green layer. I want to just create a brush at the back. I'll need to tap from the background, so I don't think I can use tap on the background. So to use the A for it, so I can just like be creative with it. So let me show you guys the color code. So you can see the color code right now up above. If I don't use, you can see it right now. So you can use this color code and just take this to the back. And then you can see how it is, guys. So it's giving us the field. I can like lock this, take this down a bit. Then we can now duplicate this, reduce this. Then I just do like this. And then we'll just reduce the opacity. We'll duplicate it again for the second one. We'll do the same. So you can see it, guys. So I'm just going to put in the names now. So I just want to see how you guys will be. So let's just use Pastor Mike. Give it an alignment tool like this. Give it a left padding, give it a right padding a little bit of 3 and 6. Then look for the fonts that are going to match it. So let me just check for any font we can use. Any playful fonts. So let me check whether this will be good. Okay. I'm getting the hang of it. They can just take this to the section like this. Okay, we can't do this right now because of the black gradients. So I think this is good. Then what we're going to do right now is to put the date and time. So we'll just look for where we'll just write 3 p.m. then West African time. So we just need to increase the size. Then we'll be using, let's say, a very monument font. So we can use something stretched out font. I don't know, but I think we'll just use monument for this. If you have any stretched out font, you can use it to give you that field. So you can do this. So you can give it a left padding and a right padding. Reduce this. Then give it another line spacing. Make sure line spacing, because the more you reduce, the more the line spacing goes up. That is Pixellab for you. So you can just like reduce it. And then adjust it here. So we can just put the time here. Then we can change the time. So you can change the time to something like this. Then we can give it a shadow of this. Then we'll copy this again. So I'm now going to write the date. So I'll be using 21st. 21st. January. So I'm just trying to create something. 2026. Let's do 26. Okay. So you see what I'm trying to create right now. So you can see how it is. Then just reduce the opacity, the sizing again. Then since they are all aligned, I can just bring them together. So forgive me, my voice is not so loud, but I just hope you guys are hearing me. I'm having a bit issue with my audio. Then give it a positioning. So let's just save these changes again. Then we're going to write in the name of the church. So you guys know the name of the church already. The Design EA Church. I'm not promoting any church, so I just have to put my name to make the design look like that. So give it an italic font. So I think the woman should be reduced a little bit. Let's just take her down, because the way I'm seeing the design, she's the second person. Yeah, so let her just be like, then for I can't give her Pastor Mike. So let's just give her Pastor Oluwatoyin. I don't know her name, but if you know her, you can just give her any name you want. Oluwatoyin. Or let's just give her Pastor Toyin. So I'm saying for the Oluwa and everything. Toyin. I don't know her name actually. If not, I've used her real name. and even this man also. So I'm just doing the design. So if you know our name, you can just put in the comment section or just tell me. So Pastor Mike, give it that. As you can see, so you can see these changes now, guys. So you can see how the design is coming up. Then we can just use in the location. The location of the church should be let's just use our normal location. I think I need to say this 11 YouTube Street behind search button Google Road. So this is just a formed I'm not gonna put it. This is just a formed location. I don't think it's real. Have you heard about YouTube Street? So you can just bring this down, then adjust this. So I think I'll just give it a size in there. Okay. So this is it. I see the changes now. So time to move up to the above section. So time to move to that. Now I'm not still satisfied with this image. So let's just adjust it to the center a little bit. Even if I'm done with the down one and everything. So it's time for us to move up to the up one. So what I need to do right now, just duplicate another one, take it here. Then at the back of them, I put this. So you can see how this. So it's just giving a kind of shiny look at the background. So you can see. So all the resources, guys, is going to be in the description box, and then you appear on my Telegram channel where you can to download it. It's all free. It's all free, guys. So you can. So I'm just going to write in Wonder. So I'll still need to look for a very good font for this. No, I'll be using one font for the time and everything. Wonder your word. Okay, let's just use something like that. So I'll just use, let me start with the ingredients that I'll use. Just use this. Use this. Okay. If let me just show you guys the color code for this. So this is the color code for this. And for this, there's the color code. So just check for a font you can use. I'm still looking. I don't have a good font now. No, this is not going to work. It's not giving us that vibe. I don't know. Will this work? So let me just put Wonder Your Word. I don't know whether this font is going to work, but let's just try. Take everything to the back. Lock this. Take this one as well. and then adjust everything up above. So I'm kind of looking for a very sharp font, something to like deliver it or stuff like that. So I think we can manage it, but I think in my next, I think I've done something. Okay, in my next video I should be able to get font, and then I will share this pack of font to you guys. If you need it, just comment. So I'll just put in your not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad. So just try to adjust this again. So I'm just going to save this right now. So it's time for us to be able to like create the church logo and everything. So let me just try to create a church logo and I'll put it up above. So I align this. So I use Montserrat for this. Montserrat black. There is up. So I give it a very good stroke, like a very big one. Very big stroke. Give it that gradient we gave the text, but it should be in the other side, like it should pop out well. So you can see it now, guys. Then when I give it a padding, so that padding is very important, that less padding. Then we'll do this again. So you can see it's not giving us that sharpy text. So I need to like give it a dark underneath. So you can see it is now. So give relative positioning. So I'm just going to like, since it's like this, because I'm not still impressed with it, like the whole text. Don't know how it is, but I don't think the text is having that creativity in it, but I think we can manage it till I get a better font. So if you have a better font, you can just use yours. I think it's going to be good. Then you can also add some other layers also, like some shiny text and the rest. So let's just say this is a simple flyer design. That's what I'm going to say. So this is a simple flyer design. And then I'm just going to put in the international apostrophe NTL Church of God Apostolic. I think there is only Church of God is okay. Then I'll give it a Montserrat medium. So I think this is getting it right now. So I think I'll just make this maybe black, if you guys don't mind. So I think we're almost done with design. So if you have actually been trained for this design, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video, share this video. Don't forget to join my Telegram community to get updated anytime I drop new videos like this. So this is a simple flyer design, like I said. So we're able to come out with something really creative with just the background and everything. So you can see what we did. So all resources like this are going to be in the description box or the comment section below, and you'll be able to access them with your smartphone. So you can design something like this using your smartphone and then deliver it to a client, and I think it's worth getting recognition from them. So I don't know how you are going to also do it, but you can maybe from this black, you can give it the color, the shining text to actually give for the so anyhow you want to do it, guys, anyhow you want to do it, you can just do it. But I think everything is working perfectly, we can be able to submit this. All right, without much talk, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Stay safe.